Well. What's going on, guys? This look familiar? Yeah, I remember making a video about that one. Does this look familiar? Nope, this one doesn't. I bought another one. You guys know what's the deal with this one. My first Corolla, and now my second Corolla. I'ma just jump straight into it. It's got a 4Age 20V black top, 5-speed. It's got some, I guess, I don't know, Volk Racing replica wheels, kind of just like mine, Usual shit, in Trinidad. No real wheels around here. Yeah. This one has disc brakes in the rear. I guess it also has drilled and slotted rotors in the front. Well, drilled rotors in the front. It's got these tail lights, which is a little bit different to mine. It's the red and clear combined or compared to the red and amber that I have. It's a little bit different. There's the exhaust. I'm not sure what exhaust it has on it, but it's not a bad sound. It's pretty nice. So I mean, the exterior is pretty much, well, as you can see, it's just like an ordinary car. Then there's mine. Well, you guys know the deal with mine. 4AFE, 16 valve, 5-speed. If you're not up to speed with my car, I'll just give a quick rundown. Volk T37 replicas, fender flares, it's kind of dirty right now. Both cars are. I just haven't watched them, But yeah, clear glass, no tints. You can see straight into the car. I just added a shift boot and a new shift knob. That's pretty much about it, actually, what I've done with the car. So yeah, this is mine, This is the one I use for my POV videos and whatever. And now I have this one. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing with this one, but it's definitely got some good shit in it. For the price I paid, I couldn't pass this one up. So it's got some Rev 9 coilovers. It's got this, I'm not sure if it is an Aeromotive or if it's a knockoff, but it's got a fuel pressure regulator. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it actually. The coilovers, the regulator, disc brakes in the front and rear, the different tail lights. Yeah, it's got an exhaust system that I don't know about. This is what the interior looks like. Oh, it's definitely got some sort of short throw or something. I'm not sure if it's like factory like the AE111 or if it's like something different, but damn, look at this shit. Just look at this shit. Neutral, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Compared to my car, that is a huge difference. But yeah, so the speedometer says 345,000 kilometers. I don't know if I believe it or not. I don't know how many miles or kilometers this engine has, but I mean, I can't complain. For the price I paid, I definitely can't complain. There's definitely some stuff that had to get done, like I needed to change a clutch slave cylinder because when I pushed the pedal down, it was just going straight to the floor. So that had to change. So there's brake fluid in the car, there's a rebuild kit in the floor. Yeah, there's a pack of empty cigarettes there. Oh shit, guess I'm now seeing this. I'm Dominic Toretto for the day. Anyways, yeah, so slave cylinder has been changed. There was it was basically open downpipe, but I took it to the muffler shop and got some stuff welded there, like from the header back. It's basically all custom piping, so I got that done because it was fucking loud. It was open header, I wasn't having it. was too loud for everyday driving or any type of driving at all. So now it's quiet, it's civilized, civilized. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. There's a lot of work still to be done in the car, but it's a work in progress. I guess this will be like a project Corolla. It's definitely got some good parts on it, like the coilovers and stuff. I don't even have coilovers on mine, so it's nice to have that. I've got to fix the AC. I'm not sure what has to get done. I also noticed something weird. Saw this button. I'm not sure why this is here, because this is a front wheel drive car. My only guess is maybe it was all wheel drive at one point, or maybe they took this fucking interior piece from a car with an all-wheel drive system. So I really don't know why it's there. If anyone knows, feel free to let me know, because I don't know, and I would love to know why it's there. Also, well, I think this is like a dimmer. I don't know if it works. I've never tried it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Besides that, yeah, this is the car. I would show you the back, but look at this. Look at this shit. Where's the handle? Yeah, can't show you. I'll open it from the inside. Hold on 1 second. Oh, never mind. Okay, you're not gonna see the back. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I don't have much more to say about the car. I mean, the last thing I'll probably do is give you guys like a startup and exhaust note of this car compared to mine. Because I mean, you guys are pretty much well acclimated with seeing my car already. So it'll just be to get an exhaust sound of this one to compare. Because, well, my car is a 4A FE. This car is a 4AG. So I'll let you guys be the judge of which one sounds better. There's a difference compared to my car. I'll give you guys a startup of my car right after. But this is how this one sounds, I'll rev it soon, but right now it's cold, so I'll cut back to the video when it's warm. It's time to start the 4A FE. So I guess you guys shall be the judge of which is better, or which which has a better sound at the moment. I guess that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sorry I've been away for quite a while. I've honestly just been feeling lazy, but I'm gonna get back into it very soon, alright? I mean, this is the first step back into it, so I'll see you guys when I see you. Hope you like, share, subscribe, do whatever you guys want to do, and I'm out. Peace.